Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. I'm reaching out to you from Istanbul, Turkey, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish coffee. Well, as haha, we do not understand why we can drink espresso in Turkey, in Dubai, but we can't drink Turkish coffee in Milan or New York. So with that goal in place, let's start, without further ado, let's start how to prepare Turkish coffee. But before that, I'm gonna show you this pot. This is something that we used to use a lot when making Turkish coffee, but now that we have the technology and everything, so we don't use this so much. But if you still want to use this as the ancient method, just make sure that you cook the Turkish coffee at a very low heat so that it tastes the best. So let's start with filling our cups with water. Yes. And then I'm gonna take this pot out and we're gonna pour the water into the pot. And for every single cup of water, we're gonna use 1 scoop of Turkish coffee and make sure it's just right sliced up. So this is 1, this is 2. You shouldn't mix it with spoon that hard, just make sure like that all the Turkish coffee bits and pieces are smoothly mixed. And we're gonna put it back in. We hear the sound. That means it's ready for cooking. We hit the button that says Turkish coffee or Türk kahvesi. And when you hear that beep, it means that it's starting to cook. So while our Turkish coffee is cooking, I'm gonna give you a little bit of information about Turkish coffee and the history of it. While Turkish coffee is one of our intangible heritage, and our method of brewery is one of the oldest and, lucky for us, one of the healthiest. So it's gonna take 2 or 3 minutes for our Turkish coffee to be done, and then we're gonna enjoy the ancient taste, aroma, and the flavor of our Turkish coffee. That's the happy beep. So we're gonna take that out. Okay, now that we have cooked our Turkish coffee, it's not over, because also pouring the coffee from the pot to the cup is one hell of a job. You have to hold the cup like this in an inclined angle, and you have to hold the pot like this in an inclined angle, and slowly pour it through the halfway of the cup, and then come to the second one, again with the same method. Just pour till the halfway through and come back to the first cup. I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing like this, by the way. Come to the first cup, back again, and make sure that all the foam and all the bubbles are on top of the liquid so that it looks foamy and it tastes better. And here we're done. We love our Turkish coffee freshly grinded, boiled and boiled to absorb our secrets and smiles. Afiyet olsun. If you liked the video, let's meet up at the comment section, and please remember to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram.